SEC just shook the crypto market again. Yesterday, the SEC pushed back approval for Solana ETFs, citing deficiencies in staking and trust structures, another regulatory twist stirring volatility. Meanwhile, the SEC officially launched its formal review of Trump Media's Crypto Blue Chip ETF, a 5-coin fund including BTC, ETH, SOL, XRP, and CRO, fueling fresh meme coin mania. BlackRock just made a huge move. BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust IBIT now controls an eye-popping 700,000 BTC, over 3% of total supply and 55% US market share, buying 40,000 BTC per month. But it doesn't stop at Bitcoin. Big BlackRock is pivoting into Ethereum too, moving funds around and signaling institutional appetite for ETH's staking incentives. Altcoin Spotlight. Ethereum is gaining traction as Wall Street's new infrastructure bet. Whales are accumulating, ETF inflows are increasing, and exchange supply is drying up. Solana ETFs are hitting notable milestones. The pioneering Rex Osprey Solana Plus Staking ETF (SSK) launched on Cboe attracted 22 million in volume, but the SEC still demands extra disclosure. Political and policy vibes. House Republicans are hyping a crypto week next week with votes on bills like the Genius Act, stablecoin rules, Clarity Act, and a bar on CBDC. The crypto influence wave is real. Under Trump's admin, a slate of changes rolled out earlier in 2025. SEC chair replaced with pro-crypto Atkins, a crypto task force, pardon of BitMEX, and a strategic Bitcoin reserve via executive orders. Is the SEC frenemy of crypto, crushing altcoin ETFs but enabling big institutional dominance? Will Ethereum's pivot from BTC-backed allocation steal crypto's momentum? Are political rallies, Trump, polls, crypto week, turning crypto into a referendum battleground?